Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is a super exciting Temu haul and first impressions. Cannot wait to tear this package and see what I got. I ordered a lot of stuff, so I will have a part 2 of this Temu haul. Today's video I'm gonna show you the fashion items, and then in the part 2 video you're gonna be seeing all the jewelry pieces and some accessories that I picked out. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and click that notification bell. Really excited about this one. I've seen so many people do this type of video featuring Temu. So glad that they reached out to me. So this is in collaboration with Temu. A big thank you to them for sending all these pieces to me. This is not sponsored, by the way. Let's get right into it because we have a lot to go to. One thing I do want to say quickly, guys, if you're interested in anything that I'm wearing as far as like my makeup, I'm wearing something really glittery today. Lip gloss, my nails, my dress. Just know everything is linked under what I'm wearing. But without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna attempt to open this box. We managed to open this up. I don't even know where to start, but I'm just gonna pick as I go. Here is the first one. Very excited. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so I remember ordering this. This has been on my wish list. I seen it and I was like, I have to get this. This is so pretty. So it's like a quilted, it's not so much puffer coat. It's more like a quilted jacket. It's more of a thinner layer, so I would say it's definitely perfect for the coming springtime. I got this, what size did I get it in? Okay, so I got it in the size medium, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can definitely belt it up like so, and it would look so chic and beautiful. I think this is really nice quality. I'm looking at it, and the stitching is done right. There's no stitching coming off. There's no like stitching being, none of the stitching is messed up. I do look for that. So far, so good. I'm impressed. This is really nice. I like the pockets right here on each side. Let me give you guys a close-up how it looks. Super nice. And if you guys have not heard of Temu, all their stuff are like super dirt cheap. Definitely is a steal because I was gonna get one exactly like this on Shein, and on Shein it was $31. I want to get one like this in the black as well. I love it so much. This is so pretty. It gives me somewhat of Chanel vibes. Very great quality. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I seen a girl on YouTube. She styled this a lot, and I always wanted this belt. When I seen Temu had it, I was like, I have to pick it up. And it looks like this. Let me show you guys. So I'll show you obviously me styling it so you guys can see how it looks. But this is how the belt looks. It's super cute. This is super cute. I know it's not for everybody, but I really like it. I think this is perfect with a more fitted type of dress, and just put it on. This will definitely bring a statement. I really love the fact that it's has gold tone. I'm not really into silver, very rarely I am, but it's really, really nice. I like it. This is faux leather. It's really great quality. It does not look cheap whatsoever. Again, the stitching is really nicely done. There's like no stitching coming undone. They say it doesn't have any smell. Another thing, I hate when clothes or shoes, they have a weird funky smell. This does not. It doesn't have any smell. So far we're good. Then moving on, let's see what this is. I think it's the handbag I ordered. Let's see. Oh yeah. So it's one of the handbags that I got. It looks like this. It does have a top handle, but it doesn't have it on. Why doesn't it have the top handle on? I'm a little confused. I'm gonna look at the picture again. I'm gonna insert it here for you guys to see. Because if I remember correctly, it had a top handle right here. The bag is really cute. I really like this suede material. It's a really nice brown suede. And in the back, it looks like this. It is really nice and roomy, I have to say. It's one of those bags that you can fit a lot of stuff. You could definitely close it up right here. And then they do have the crossbody strap that you can use for this bag right here. So you can connect it here and then use it like so. It's still a really nice bag. I have to say, does not have a smell. Maybe a very slight, like you really have to smell it to smell it. But other than that, this is really nice. It has like a zipper compartment right here. It doesn't have any compartment on this side. Very roomy, like I said. I really like this one. This one I'm very impressed. I can't complain. I think this is really pretty. I love this suede material. I just think this is so pretty. You guys know I've been into brown, so this is really gorgeous. Really great quality. Does not look cheap either, and I think as you fill it up, it would just look really good. Alrighty, let's move on to the next item. I think this is the other bag that I ordered. I don't remember ordering this. Okay, I know I did not order this, so I don't know what happened. So I did order 2 bags, but I did check just now, and I did notice that the bag that I ordered is out of stock. So I think that's probably why they sent me this instead of the other one. Kind of disappointed because that is the one that I was looking the most forward to getting in this mail. I'm gonna start a picture if it's still available. I will show you guys. It's so good. But anyways, I got this bag right here, and it comes with this little like bag as well, like a little wristlet. That I think I would definitely use this. I like little baggies like this. And then let me show you guys the strap to this. Actually has 2 straps. You can have the short a short strap like this, or you can have the crossbody strap with the long one. I guess it just depends, like, what are you into. I have to say though, for this style of bag, it's a really nice quality bag. It feels like really nice leather. I know it's most likely faux leather, but it's really nice quality. This is so big on the side that you can definitely fit a water bottle on each side. So you see this right here, and then it has another one. If you're that type of mom like me where you want to carry everything in your bag, this is a really nice bag because you could put 2 water bottle or a sippy cup, a snack, like some snacks here. You could definitely put your phone right here for easy access, or your keys. Really nice and spacious, I have to say. I think this is a really nice bag. It's not necessarily my style, to be honest with you, but I think it's a nice quality bag. It does have the zipper compartment right here, and then it has 2 compartments right here. Yeah, really nice. And then of course you get this where you can put whatever the heck you want to put in it. I would definitely put probably like my touch-up makeup, but it's cute. You know, really great quality. I can't complain. And then let's see, what is this? I think it's my puffer jacket. Oh, okay. So it's my puffer jacket vest. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. What size did I get this in? I think I got it in the medium. Okay, yeah. So I got this in a medium, and I love this. I've been wanting to get something like this for the longest time. I want one also like this in the brown. And just looking at it instantly, I'm like, yeah, this is great quality. I love this. I love the fact that it has pockets on each side. It's a really nice quality one too. I'm surprised, and I think this one was only like $16. If you find this elsewhere, you guys know you're going to be paying double for it. I really like the zipper too. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like really nice sturdy zipper. It opens up really nicely as well. Let me put it on. I don't even know if I should put it on with this outfit, but whatever. We're going to go with it. Look at that. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. It kind of looks like a shiny faux leather. Oh, I love it. And it does not have a smell either. I know I watched some Temu videos, and there were some people saying that some of their items had a funky smell, but so far, we're good. I really love this. This is really nice. I would have to say this is one of my favorites from this haul so far. This I could see myself wearing a lot. This is gorgeous. 10 out of 10, guys. Okay, moving on to this. I have no idea what this is because some of the items I don't even remember what oh, okay. I got this waist cincher. I've been wanting to get a waist cincher for the longest time, and I have one, but I just never use it. I honestly don't like it. But it looks like this, and basically you zip it up all the way, and then you use these 2 straps right here, these Velcro, and you Velcro it around your waist as well. I love this. Now, I will most likely use this as back support or when I'm working out, just because I am that type of person that I try to use waist cinchers and I don't like them. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's uncomfortable for me. It's sweaty. I just don't like it. I don't feel comfortable in it. But when I'm working out, I like to use this because I am going a little bit more heavier on my weights whenever I'm working out, and I want to make sure that my back is supported, even though I try to maintain really good posture. But I feel like this will help because I don't know, we'll see. But I think it's really nice. Like, I like it. Does have a little bit of stretch, so I don't think it's so much of that type of cincher that if you feel like you can't breathe, you can definitely breathe in this. But I wouldn't say this is something that you can use for like underneath your clothes unless you're wearing like a loose sweater or a loose top, because these right here, as you're velcroing them together, you could definitely tell if you're using like a bodycon or a fitted dress or a top. But I really love this. I can't wait to use this. This is something I'm actually excited about. I know I'm going to use it, definitely. And you know what? I actually always wanted one of those whenever I have back pain. I don't know about you guys, but with my periods, TMI, I am starting to have really bad periods where my back is literally killing me. So the only way to help myself is either lay on my back or lay on my stomach if somebody has to walk on me. Whenever I have to cook and do stuff and I just cannot lay on my back, I love this because the moment I put it on, I've used one of those before, and it just makes you feel secure. It takes away your back pain. It just makes it better. Trust me. I am not the type of person that really likes to take medicine, so that to me is kind of like an alternative. And then let's move on to the next item. What? Oh, okay. So this was a white bag that I got. And it looks like this. I thought it was really cute. Funny thing is, I actually was gonna buy this. I was so close to buying it on Shein. And I think on Shein was like, I don't even know, like $25. It looks like this. It's really, really cute. But to be honest with you, I really thought that this is gonna be more of a structured bag. And it's not. I'm a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. It's not bad, like it's still really, it's still good quality, but it's not like, oh my gosh, my mind is blown. I think still it's really cute. I like the fact that this you can open up if you want the strap to be longer. So basically you have to push it together. It comes off, and then you have it a little bit longer, and then you can do the same on this one. And you can have it a little bit longer like so. Super cute bag. It does give me kind of like biker vibes because of the silver hardware. And then it opens up like this. And then inside right here, it's, I think it could definitely fit like your necessities. If you're not that type of girl who takes a lot of stuff with her, you could definitely fit your phone, your keys, your makeup, you know, credit cards, a wallet, protein bar, a snack. Stuff like that you could definitely do. Still really cute. And then last but not least, I don't remember what this is, so we will see. Oh, okay. So okay, now I remember getting this. It's basically a top and a pants set, kind of like a workout slash going out, kind of like casual vibes with some sneakers and maybe this puffer vest. That's the type of vibe I'm getting with this. So I got this in a medium. The inside, I noticed that it's kind of somewhat of a fleece material, so it will keep you warm in the winter. This is the medium, and it's black, like I said. I would say it's a really nice material. It's very nice and stretchy. Look at that, guys. Super, super stretchy. It doesn't look like it'll be see-through because I can't see my fingers through it as I'm doing this. And usually if I do, I will know automatically it is. I don't think it is. And I think it's because they put like some type of like a fleece material right here. That's probably the reason why it's not. Yeah, I think this is really nice. I like it. I like the type of legging it is. I don't feel like this type of legging, like any lint will stick to it because the way it is. And then this is how the top looks. This is long sleeve, and I really thought this was super cute. It looks like this. I really like it. Really nice again. Very nice and stretchy. Very comfortable. I think this is a win. I think this was only like $12. Super nice and affordable. I think this is cute. Last but not least, I almost forgot to show you guys this. These boots right here, and they're supposed to be like UGG inspired boots. If you guys don't know, UGGs have this new style boots that are like the short length, and they are all the rage right now. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. So I got these right here. They look like that. I got them in a size 7, and they fit really nice. I most likely would wear these around the house. I don't think I would wear them out. But they are really nice and cozy. If you put your hand in here, you can definitely feel the faux fur going all the way inside, so your feet will be nice and cozy. I did wear these like half of the day just to see how they feel. They are very comfortable, I have to say. They're really nice and thick. And then in the back, it looks like this. So in the back, I guess they were trying to make it look like Uggs. And it does still say UGG, but instead of the UGG, it's UOG, and they do it twice. So it looks like that in the back. I honestly don't like that. I wish this I could just take off. If I could, I'll probably take it off because I don't like that. And another thing, I think these are still nice. The quality's nice. The only thing I have to say that I don't like, and I didn't know they look like this, is that this color of it, the color actually looks more like sandpaper. If you guys have ever seen sandpaper, you know exactly how that looks like. Let me show you guys a close-up. Hopefully you guys know what I mean. It does not look like the color of Uggs. You know, the Ugg is like a nice solid tan color. I mean, obviously they have different colors, but when we're talking about this color, it's like a solid tan color, but this looks more like speckled. And it looks like sandpaper. So for that reason, I'm gonna wear them at home because they're still comfortable, still a great pair of shoes. This is how it looks at the bottom. So if you want to wear them out, you could. It's like a really nice hard rubber material where you won't slip and slide. Overall, I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised with Temu. You get dirt cheap fashion pieces and other stuff that they have. They even have kitchen gadgets, jewelry, men's clothing, babies clothing. They have so much stuff. They have shoes, belts, literally anything you can think of. They have so much stuff that is super affordable. So I have to say I'm actually impressed. Really impressed. So that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.